Hi all, welcome to a Christmas special episode of Foodie Zest. So today let's see how to make a simple chocolate cake without using oven or any cake decorating tools. Ingredients required for making the cake are maida 1 cup, half cup of cocoa powder unsweetened, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half teaspoon baking soda, quarter teaspoon baking powder, quarter cup oil and quarter to half cup milk. Then for making the frosting, we need around half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half cup powdered sugar, 3/4 cup whipping cream, 5 tablespoons of butter, softened at room temperature. Now let's start making the cake batter. Into a blender, add 1 cup sugar and 2 eggs and blend them well until the sugar dissolves completely. Now it's blended. Let's keep it aside and mix the dry ingredients. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of maida, half cup cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder, and mix it well. We need to sieve all the ingredients together twice or thrice so that there won't be any lumps and the batter would be light. And it also helps in evenly distributing the dry ingredients. Now once it's done, let's add this mixture into the egg and sugar mixture which we have blended already. Now we are going to mix this as well. Let's add a teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract and blend it. Once we have blended it, let's add the oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Again blend it, and after blending it, now you'll get a thick batter. And it's time to add the milk. First add around 1/4 cup of milk, which is at room temperature. Then if the batter is still thick, you can add around half cup of milk. Let's blend it again in the blender. Now take a 9-inch cake tin. I have applied butter all over it. And let's pour the cake mixture. While making cakes, make sure that your milk, eggs and butter are in room temperature. Cake batter should be in this consistency. Make sure the batter is just about 1/3 of the tin. Just tap the tin once or twice so that the air bubbles releases. Now let's preheat a thick bottomed vessel on high flame for 5 minutes, covering with the lid. Now after 5 minutes, I'll place the tin on the vessel and cover it again and keep it on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just switch the flame to the lowest setting and bake it for 40 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's make the frosting. So for that, into a bowl, let's add around half cup of cocoa powder, again unsweetened. Make sure to sieve the dry ingredients. Then let's add the powdered sugar, sieve it as well. Now let's add that 5 tablespoons of softened butter into the mixture and the whipping cream. The whipping cream should be warm before adding into the mixture. Now let's whisk everything together until it forms a nice creamy texture. Now our frosting is ready. Let's check the cake. After 40 minutes, I'll just check whether it's baked well. Just insert a skewer or a toothpick, and if the skewer comes out clean, then the cake is well baked. So it's clean. Now let's switch off the flame and take out the tin. Gently glide a spatula or knife along the sides so that it will be easier to take the cake out. Allow it to cool for some time. Once it's cooled down, let's remove the spring foam. gently cut the cake into 2 layers. Remove the top layer and let's apply the frosting onto the second layer. Once it's done, let's place the top layer and again apply the frosting all over the cake. Fully cover the cake with the frosting. Add a generous amount. And now let's do a simple decoration on top of it. Just press the spoon and pull it up so that there will be peaks formed on top. This is a very simple decoration. Let's cut our yummy chocolate cake. You can either have it as such or you can refrigerate it and have it once it's cooled. Chocolicious chocolate cake is ready. It's a simple recipe. You can try it without oven or any of the cake making tools. All the chocolate lovers can try this easy recipe and I'm sure you all will like it because the flavor is so amazing. So please try this recipe for your Christmas and share your comments on the comment box below. I wish all my Foodie Zest friends a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching Foodie Zest and keep supporting me. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And let's meet again with a new interesting recipe video. Till then, it's bye from Foodie Zest.